All of the points for the North coming from Paul Anthony Artadi. Meantime is Kelly Williams. Williams with a drive, no go. And the rebound ends up with Artadi. Artadi quickly to Helter Brand. Helter Brand to Gabe Norwood for three, no go. Offensive rebound for Artadi. By the way, the North, they're in the white uniforms. Samantalang ang South naman, they're in the blue uniforms.
The scores here are usually very high simply because both teams push it up a lot. You know, and every good opportunity to shoot. Let's see Intal, who's wearing a face mask there, getting a little bit too eager.
So Cyrus Baguio of Ginebra to James Yap of BMEG Derby Ace. And now Asi of the Coca-Cola Tigers with a twirl, getting rid of Mark Pingris. The South with that very noticeable size advantage.
Yes, you have Asi Taulaba, you have Sonny Tosh, you have Kelly Williams, you have Joe Devance there. Here, actually, Pingris is the one who has to play center for the starting five and maybe one of the tallest players on that team, no?
Intal handoff, Pingris goes up, and basket is good.
Ball tapped out and stolen again here by the North All-Star. That's a foul there by Asi Taulaba. Norwood holding on to his wrist. Hey, Asi, it's an exhibition game.
Gabe Norwood playing in his second straight PBA All-Star game. Had to relinquish his slam dunk throne.
Well, you know, everybody looked to the matchup between Kelly Williams and Caneleta. It's been long in coming. They've never fought against each other except for this 2010 slam dunk contest.
James Yap missing his first attempt. Here's Asi, handoff, Kelly Williams.
Oh! If I can't win it on the court, I'm gonna win the hearts of the people the way I slam dunk. Oh, and Intal. Not exactly a slam.
Still an alley-oop.
Yes.
A lot of open court wizards on the floor. Sana dyan si Cyrus Baguio. But he missed that time, went over the backhand, and the ball goes back to the North. North up by 5 points, 11-6.
The advantage, obviously, for the North with the starting five, they have a natural point guard. On the other side, you do not have that. James Yap or Baguio are not point guards. Artadi already has 7 points in the ball game right now.
3 minutes having gone by in the opening quarter. South trying to go inside, and the Rocket is all alone. Asi will not be denied,
Norwood wasn't going to challenge that. He was going to get out of the way.
which is the wise move. Now here's JJ. Helter Brand, handoff Norwood. Norwood out of the rain or shine, Elastopainters to Intal. Intal thought about the three, guarded by James Yap. Intal fires and misses. James Yap all the way for two.
You see how big hands he has because he's able to carry that ball like with one hand and then make all those moves. Artadi feeling lucky missing this three-point shot, however.
Now Baguio in motion. Baguio slices through, and he is such a dangerous customer in the open court. Alley-oop.
That would have been a good one.
Here's Baguio. And all the way for two. Titus Baguio now with 4 points.
Well, I was going to say, Nico, that Baguio really has a great following also. He's from originally from Iligan City. Still goes home there a lot. But he's the kind of player that Filipinos can, you know, can connote with. Parang, I'm him. 5, maybe just a little bit under 6 feet or 6 feet. But with a lot of skills in basketball.
Now James Yap fires a three. Here's Artadi, who got this game going with 5 straight points. Overpassing it, and Asi is all alone here. Taolava with a layup.
How many times did you see Asi really sprint to be able to catch up with that wayward pass? He wasn't going to let it go. Jimmy Alapag about to enter the ball game. Maybe they were a natural point guard, and he's going to give them that.
Norwood with a reverse slam.
Oh!
Almost but not quite para kay Kelly Williams. Okay, meron na tayong mga palitan ng tao dito. Kelly Williams, naghihinayang. No? That would have been a spectacular finish.
Alam mo, the coaches really have to put the starting five, Nico, because those were voted upon by our fans. No? Pero in that case, katulad ni Asi at ni Eric, parehong sentro yun. So wala kang point guard pero may dalawang sentro kasi eventually Jimmy Alapag came in for Eric Neng. And Arwin Santos getting his first bucket of the game.
The new faces on the floor. Jimmy Alapag for the South. And for the North, Arwin is in this game with Sol Mercado. And in this game, Norwood.
Marami yung pinapakita eh. Gabe, get out of there. In the regular PBA game, that's technical. You're swinging in the... Parang nag-i-enjoy siya nun ah.
I think everyone's having a great time so far. It's been a great week. And all these players, ang gaganda ng mga santan ng ating players.
Yeah, it's quite hot here. We're going to have the first time out of this ball game.
All right, well, Gabe Norwood hangs around. Stay around, hang around, Solar TV for more PBA All-Star action. Welcome to All-Star City 2010, Puerto Princesa. And in attendance, Mr. Peter Chanlio, one of our head honchos, CEO of the Solar TV Network, making the trip here.
Yeah, and we continue to support the PBA as well as a lot of other basketball things. Yung crewmen natin, medyo nahuli on the court. So tama naman ginawa ng referee. You know.
Great Sunday crowd on hand to watch the All-Star festivities. And here's Arwin Santos, reaching by Sunny Toss, and the ball will stay with the North.
Substitution, Willie Miller.
Right now, Hilterbrand will sit down in favor of two-time MVP, Willie Miller. Mac Cardona is also part of this ball game para sa North squad.
The North has made a lot of changes. Another alley-oop para kay Gabe Norwood. Talagang brothers itong dalawa, si Sol Mercado at saka si Gabe Norwood.
Oh! You know, that's the second missed dunk para kay Kelly Williams tonight. And here's Mercado to Arwin Santos. And he missed it. Ronald Tubid is now in the ball game to provide a lot of energy, a lot of entertainment, a lot of moves. And a basket, 2 points para kay Tubid.
You better remind Ronald Tubid, nasa Puerto Princesa, hindi tayo papuntang Baguio. Lahat ng sixer, ginawa niya.
Well, these players are really having a lot of fun, and they'll make sure that the fans here and the fans watching on Solar TV will have a great time watching this ball game. Here's the Mighty Mouse, Jimmy Alapag. Bounce pass, Sunny Toss.
That's the difference when the guy is a natural point guard. The way he looks at his teammates coming into the picture, finishing off the transition game with a nice bounce pass for the layup.
Cardona with a miss. And here's Dondon Ontiveros. Dondon, one of the most popular players, got a rousing applause when he was introduced during the player introductions.
Well, obviously, one of the biggest attractions from the Visayas in the last decade. Dondon Ontiveros, who can play two sides of the floor. He can play offense, he can play defense.
And now the lead is with the South team with that layup by Jimmy Alapag. His first 2 points of this All-Star game. Here's Arwin Santos. Fires a 3. That ball ends up with Ronald Tubid.